Hey guys, quick video to show you how to fix a sagging blinker on your motorcycle or a broken one. Like in this case, if you don't have a replacement, you can do this for cheap by using something simple like a couple nails and some electrical tape. I'm using the black one as it matches the blinker. So let me show you what we're gonna do. All right, so here's the trick. We're gonna basically, if you just tape this by itself, when it gets hot, the tape will get warm and this will start sagging and will melt away. It doesn't matter how good the tape is. If we use a couple nails and use them like this to reinforce this and then tape around, it's gonna give it a stable hold. It's not gonna pull down on the tape and it's gonna support it till you're ready to replace it. Plus the entire summer for me last year, I did just order a blinker that I'm going to do video to show you how to replace these on a bike, but for now I want to show you how to do the quick fix. Alright, so I'm going to first use a piece of tape to stabilize them in place. I'm going to line this up like it was. Actually, we'll do the nails like this. I'm going to line it up. You can do more than two, but two worked for me. Now I'll just tape around it. Have a little tension on the tape so you get a good secure hold. I'm doing a couple layers of the tape to make sure that even with the heat, this will still hold up. Definitely use some good quality tape. This is 3M tape. Got it at Home Depot. I think it's the 3M64, so it's high heat resistance. And that's really it. And now this has the support. You can use any type of bar. It doesn't have to be a nail. Anything solid. And this is not going anywhere now until you're ready to replace it with the real deal. So hope this is helpful to you guys. Give it a try. And I'll have a video soon when my new blinkers come in to show you how to replace them completely. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment with any questions.